What's up, guys? Welcome on back to Matt DIY. So if you saw the thumbnail, I'm sure you guys are like, Matt, what's going on here, right? What are you working on this old thing for? What's the point? Why don't you have some Ferrari or Lamborghini or something that, you know, more people will be interested in, things like that. Guys, I'm here to tell you, I just, these are the kind of cars that get me excited. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because it's so old and still in mint condition or what, but I just like this old stuff. It's just super cool. So I love sharing it with you. And I like working on cars that, you know, the everyday person can afford and the everyday person can work on. I mean, you don't need to be some, you know, astronomical rich person to own one of these cars. I mean, this is just your everyday cars that people are driving and enjoying and things like that. So when I find one that's pretty awesome, I want to share it with you. And this 2006 Ford Focus is going to be the subject of today's video. So let me flip you guys around and let's just do a walk around this thing. I haven't spent any time on this car yet. It just got dropped off from Copart. So I want to show you and let's talk about it. Alrighty, guys, this is it. And I hope the wind isn't going to cause us too many issues. But this is the 2006 Ford Focus that I just picked up from Copart. And as you can see, most of the damage is right over here. So we've got a driver's fender that's gone. We've got a bumper that's gone. And also the air box, air filter is gone as well. So not too easy, and parts for these things are everywhere. But the point of this video is not to talk about necessarily what it needs, but just to go around it and see what we got here and see, you know, what we can find on the inside and just see if we can paint the story on this car for what it is. So let me do a walk around on the exterior. I apologize for the wind. Never wants to cooperate. This is the SES ZX4. What that means, I don't really know, but I'm gonna learn. And this is the dark Cherator red color, I believe. So there it is, the 06 Focus. Now you're probably asking, okay, you know, I get it, you're excited about this, whatever, but why'd you buy this? Well, for two reasons. One, to share the content with you, because this is a really cool mint car, and you'll see it in a second why I keep saying that. But number two is just I'm looking for something cheap to commute to work and back, and this thing should get every bit of 30 miles per gallon and help me do that. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So this one's probably sticking around. But why I keep saying it's mint, and if I got the keys I could show you the interior. And look at this. I mean, is this not like I was young when this car came out, but look at this. Compared to like keys and stuff today, this is how it was, right? This is just simple. No frills, get you from point A to point B without issue. So here's the interior. Guys, do you see this interior? This thing, I'm not gonna say it looks like it came out of the dealership, but this thing is mint. All right, guys, so I saw this in the pictures at Copart, and I immediately was like, I have to have this thing, right? I mean, well, before we get in there, let's go around a little bit more. So here's the back seat. I mean, okay, we've got one little stain there that actually picks up better on camera than it does in person. I haven't seen it until now on the camera. But other than that, I mean, it is clean as a whistle. One little footprint. I mean, can you guys believe this? This is a 2006. There's no rust. There is no nothing. This must have been Granny's car, right? That she took out to church on Sundays and got groceries during the week. Oh, wow. How do you pop the trunk on this thing? There we go. So we don't have anything too exciting back here. We've got, looks like the floor mats and a piece of the bumper with some of the hardware in it still, so that's good. Yeah, nothing crazy, just a little mat there. I wonder if this pulls up. Oh yeah, there's the spare right there. So that's cool, we got the spare tire. Very clean back here. I don't know if there's a jack. I don't see any jack. But we do have the spare tire, so that's good. And it looks like you can pull those too. Oh, that's cool, and actually have extra room to haul things. Big trunk, for a Focus. I mean, I've never owned one, but I feel like there's a lot of room back here for what this car is. So, and it looks like I don't know if there's supposed to be like a panel here or if that's just how it is, but if there was, it's missing, but maybe not. All right, coming around to this side. Nothing you haven't seen from the other side, but super, super clean. And same here. Wow. I was just blown away. I mean, the carpet, this thing has 70,000 miles on it. Not too many, but it's an 06. I mean, this car is almost 20 years old. And look at that carpet. Are you joking? Like, what is the deal, right? And I just thought it was super clean, so I had to rebuild it, even if I wasn't keeping it. I mean, I just had to buy it and rebuild it. I got this thing at Copart for $825 is what we wanted to bid on. So for 800 bucks, I could not go wrong on this. I had to pick it up. It is just too clean to let somebody put this in a junkyard, right? So I had to get it. Let's check this out. What is this? Yellow 28 second set 06 Focus Berg. What the heck? Oh wow, look at that. Second set of keys. We even have 2 sets of keys. Can you believe that? Right? Somebody loved and took care of this thing. Now I did pull a Carfax on it. There isn't a ton of history. I mean, there's maintenance, oil changes, things like that, but nothing really too crazy. Let's get back in here. Oh, take a look at the old girl. I mean, this just takes me back in time, right? I mean, I know there's some cheaper cars you can get today that look something like this, but this is just really a throwback to, you know, the early 2000s. I mean, this is what there was. You got a CD and radio there, very basic. AC controls, nothing exciting. You got your park reverse neutral drive. Heated seats, believe it or not. That's cool. And a little semi console. Nothing in it. Nothing to see there, really. What do we got in the glove box, right? That's always interesting. Oh, no way. We have, I think it's the first car ever that I purchased that actually had the original window sticker. Wow. That is cool. So we got a 2004 ZX4 SES, dark Terrator red. Wow, is this neat. 16-inch alloy wheels, tires, moldings, power mirrors, wipers. What else we got? Window defroster, solar glass, fog lamps. Got AC, stereo, all that good stuff. Front wheel drive, front rear suspension, power rack, pinion steering, power windows, lock, speed control, safety. Wow. 26 city, 32 highway. Can't get much better than that, right? Automatic transmission, 4-speed, with a 2.0 Duratec 4-cylinder engine. That is pretty nice. Originally sold in Ohio. Wow. Total MSRP of $17,660 out the door back in 06, which back then was quite a lot of money. Today, I don't think you can even buy a car for that. And if you do, you'll get a piece of junk. But this was this was a Ford. This was a decent car for the money. And you can see there all the things that it had. And I am burning up in here, so I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. I know it runs. I saw the guy take it off the trailer. Let's go ahead and fire up the old girl. You can see the dash light up there. 77,561. Are you kidding me? Look at that. We got a half tank of gas. That's pretty sweet. No lights on the dash. Nothing. We don't have a single light except for seatbelt. How about that? That is awesome. That is really cool. Imagine the AC might cause some issues with the microphone, but I'm dying, so I'm going to point it to the ceiling, and we'll get some air moving in here. So that's super cool. We have the original window sticker. I really enjoyed seeing that. We've got a book. Oh yeah, look at that. We got the owner's manual. We have, let's see, anything else worthy of looking at in here? Looks like just probably the warranty books and things like that. I don't see any service records. No, just regular books there. But that's cool. I'm gonna have a good time looking at that. That's pretty neat. That and a window sticker. I mean, that that alone is pretty neat. That's like a piece of nostalgia right there, right? Pretty darn cool. I've never had a car that had that still in it. So that's all we got in the glove box. Seats are pretty comfortable. All manual, of course. No electronic controls or anything. Just got a couple random stuff over here. I got lock and unlock. You know, the basics, nothing too crazy. As Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds like to say, important window does work. Passenger window works as well. All right, that's super cool. Wow. Of course, they're not automatic, but they go up and down just fine. We got the rears. Yeah. How about this one? Yep. So all 4 windows work. That is sweet. What do we have up here? We got a sunglasses holder. I don't know what you'd put in there. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure what this would be for. If somebody knows what that compartment's for, let me know. Maybe I'm not very bright, but I'm not really sure what you'd put in there. We got interior lights, looks like. Yep. We got your regular mirror there. Pretty cool. And cold AC, guys. This car is 18 years old. We got cold AC. I mean, what more could you ask for? What about the radio? Oh yeah, turn that off so we don't get copyrighted. Wow. Simple controls, right? Cold, hot. You got your AC, recirculate. You got your defroster. I'm guessing that's in the rear. Yeah, it looks like it. Got your speed on the fan. Guys, part of me feels like we went wrong, right? I mean, what more did you need than this in your car, right? I mean, this will get you from point A to point B. You don't have any big screens or mess here. You've got your twist controls that are really easy to adjust. Don't take your eyes off the road while you're driving. I mean, what is wrong with this? To me, this is perfect. It's functional. It doesn't break. There's no touch screens to worry about, right? I mean, tell me if I'm wrong, but I just think it's cool. Heated seats. Looks like they do light up, so I'm guessing they do work. So that's cool that the passenger has one too. Basic cup holders, nothing to see there, really too crazy. Wow. This is just neat. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood so we can show you guys under there as well. But I'm kind of curious to go back here and just see if there's anything in this compartment, the passenger seat, because that's always interesting. No, unfortunately not. There's nothing there. We'll check under the seats too, just to see, and I don't think this really folds down. No, it doesn't. Not unless you want to haul stuff with it. Let's see if we got anything juicy underneath the drivers. No, pretty clean. This thing is so clean. Oh, what is that? Oh, wow. So it's got a little adjuster. You can actually adjust the height of the seat cushion. How cool is that? I didn't know that was a thing. And then this is front and back. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's take a look under the hood. See what we're working with here. This is the 2.0 liter Duratec. And this is the other thing. Look how clean it is under the hood. Are you kidding me? 18-year-old car. I don't see rust or anything anywhere. Belts look pretty new almost. Everything is working great. Got to replace the airbox for sure because it got damaged in the accident. Easy access too, all the way around. You need to do any work on this thing, real easy. Got a oil patch right on top, oil change, dipstick. I already checked the oil, there is oil in it. Power steering fluid. It does have coolant in the coolant bottle. And the battery, I'm not sure how old that is, or what kind it is. It's kind of hidden by that cover there, but it starts up just fine, so I'm sure it's in pretty good shape as well. I mean, come on, am I the only one that's really excited about this? I just think it's super cool. Like, where else are you gonna find a diamond like this in the rough? To me, it's a diamond. Because you can't buy a car with 70,000 miles in this good a shape for 800 bucks. I mean, it is insane. Now, it's not counting delivery. I did have it delivered. But to me, I'm just going by the price of the thing. You know, what would this cost if you were to buy it? That's kind of what I'm going off of. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back in. Oh, because it's pretty comfy. Yep, door works just fine. We got the mirror adjustment controls. Yep, that appears to work. How about the passenger? Oh yeah. Guys, there's nothing on this car that doesn't work. Horn? Ah, that's cute. Oh man, I love it. This might be one of my favorite rebuilds that I've done, just because of how cool this is for its age. And the fact that everything works, and literally that AC is freezing. This is gonna be great. So I got about an hour commute when I work. So this is gonna be great for running to work, cheap on gas, cold AC, radio. I need nothing else. So I'm gonna work on getting this rebuilt pretty quickly on the road, because this thing is darn cool. Got the headlight controls there. I mean, it's just basic and it's functional. What more do you need? All right, guys, I'm pretty excited about this build. I hope you are as well. This thing is just, I don't know, to me, it's just pretty cool. I mean, you don't see every day one of these in this good a shape, and that wasn't beat to heck and driven completely off the road. I mean, this was clearly taken care of and probably stored in a garage, and I'm lucky enough to be able to find it and buy it for 800 bucks and bring it back to life and use it. So we're gonna save this car for sure. We're gonna drive it. It's gonna be a fun project. Gonna be an easy project. Parts are cheap, parts are easy to replace. I mean, this thing is gonna be fun. So comment down below, let me know what you think of the 06 Focus. And you know, let me know your thoughts. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along for the rebuild of this project car. I think it's going to be fun. Excited to share it with you guys. And I also have plenty of other car projects and reviews and things like that on the channel. So if you're interested in any of that, please go ahead and subscribe, and we'd love to have you here on the channel. But I don't know, this is just, look at this. It's just cool. I just can't believe the shape that it's in. Super excited about it, guys. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate you being here. We recently passed 3,000 subscribers. Can't thank you guys enough for watching and tuning in. So keep up the support. Like, share the videos with your friends, family, things like that. And I'll be sure to provide the entertainment as I can. So thanks, guys. And until next time, always remember to get out there, do it yourself.